Look, if your calendar isn't filling up with dream clients who are eager to work with you, then it's time to rethink your strategy and your messaging. Most coaches are chasing clients when they should be attracting them. They focus on endless tactics, but are missing a cohesive strategy. I want to invite you to join us for our live and interactive virtual Accelerator workshop, where you will learn exactly how to create a simple, repeatable plan to attract and enroll high-paying clients. No more chasing, no more guesswork, no more confusion and overwhelm. Just a clear and simple path to building the business that you want.